After creating a new scene, go to the GUI folder and create a new resource. Search for Stylebox texture and click Create. Name it Button 2 Texture. In the inspector, we'll need to fill the texture property. Go to the Buttons and Icons folder, choose the correct button image, and assign it to the texture box. Next, set all 4 texture margins to 4 pixels. Now, in the same GUI folder, create another Stylebox texture resource. Name it Button 2 Press Texture and save it. Go back to the Buttons and Icons folder, select the Press button image, assign it to the texture box, and once again set all 4 texture margins to 4 pixels. Now create a new button node. In the inspector, open Theme Overrides, then expand Styles. We'll fill these 4 style boxes with the Stylebox texture resources we just created. Drag Button 2 texture into the normal, hover, and disabled style boxes. Then drag Button 2 Press texture into the Press style box. Next, expand fonts and drag your pixel font into the font property. Open Font Sizes and enter the minimum size for your font. For this font, the minimum size is 6 pixels. You'll find the font in the description below. Now expand colors. We'll only use the first 4 color properties. Choose colors that match your button design and make it look great. Add some text to the button, and you'll notice the pixel font is applied automatically. I'll make the button a little larger so it's easier to see on the screen. You can skip this part if you want. Finally, save the button in the Buttons folder and name it Button 2. And that's it. These are the simple steps to creating a clean, professional-looking pixel art button in Godot. There are 2 common ways to design buttons in the Godot engine, and each method is useful in a different situation. Use the first method when you have multiple buttons that share the same design and functionality. This approach allows you to apply a consistent style across your entire UI, making it easier to manage and update all your buttons at once. Use the second method when you only have a single unique button or a button that needs a custom appearance. This is ideal for special buttons such as a play, start, shop, or boss fight button that should stand out from the rest of your interface. By understanding both methods, you'll be able to choose the best approach for your game's UI and create interfaces that are clean, consistent, and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. See you later.